If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess Superman's power of achieve. All achievements, all earned riches have their beginning in an idea. You might will remember that nothing can bring you success but yourself. The majority of men meets with failure because of their lack of persistence in creating new plan to take the place of those which failed. Money without brain is always dangerous. There are no limitation to the mind except those we acknowledge. Create a definite plan for your carrying out your desire and being advanced, whether you are ready or not to put this plan into action. Failure is nature plan to prepare for you great responsibilities. You can start right where you stand and apply the habits of going the extra mile by rendering more service and better service than you are now being paid for. Man alone has the power of transform his thought into physical reality. Man alone can dream and make his dream come true. Focus on the responsibilities for success, not on the potential for failure. When you close the door of your mind to negative thought, the door of opportunities open to you. Don't wait, the time will never be just right. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. If it isn't your job to do it, perhaps it is your opportunity. If you are not learning while you are earning, you are cheating yourself out of better portion of your compensation. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. A goal is a dream with deadline.